Hi, this is Chuck Oliver. Welcome to this week's Hidden Wealth Solution Review. Well, giving thanks for tax savings. Well, I want to talk to you about what I felt was a really good quote, and this is what we've practiced, but I couldn't put it in better words. Good retirement planning includes all the possible tax implications and gives you options. Organizing income sources so that they hit your tax return the right way should be a deliberate strategy every year of every taxpayer. Well, folks, I'm excited to talk about, ironically, an article that came out of Motley Fool and was talking about ways to have strategy to lower your taxes. And I want to talk to you about how a zero tax bracket is actually able to be accomplished. Not in every case. We've gotten some people down to a 3% or a 4% or a 6% tax, but some clients we've actually been able to get down to a zero. And I want to give you a good example of this. This is a case in saving a client $60,000 of what would have been normally, without any strategic tax planning, $60,000 out of their pocket, not tax on 60, but 60 owed. And it's using two strategies. One, creatively offsetting capital gains, and strategically doing Roth conversion. Now, here's how this works. So what ends up happening, and this is Vic and Susan from Florida, and they had a capital gain on the sale of a asset, right? A piece of real estate. And the capital gain was a little over $100,000. Now, by looking at where they were in their strategic tax planning, they also had a window for a couple reasons. One, while we have the Tax Cut and Jobs Act, for those listening that have a net worth, excluding their home equity of their primary home, you can use other home equity, of $1 million or more, there's actually a very little unknown strategy that you can use to have a 100% tax deduction. And they use this deduction to go to their IRAs, as we taught them, and actually created a zero tax Roth conversion. So as opposed to where they would have coughed up several thousands of dollars on this Roth conversion, they're actually able to save by paying zero tax to convert $200,000 to Roth. Because we also use that offset, they put themselves in a zero capital gains tax rate position, which means no tax on the capital gain of roughly $104,000, no tax on the $200,000 Roth conversion. And this actually enables them, right, to not only just save $60,000 in their particular case, it prevented any tax to their Social Security. And now the income of approximately $15,000 a year and increasing, totally tax-free from the Roth conversion, is giving them a lot of peace of mind, because that strategy has no downside and only upside, and they've completely eliminated Uncle Sam. Folks, let me teach you how to insulate your retirement savings and income from the IRS, how to get Uncle Sam, like Vic and Susan were able to learn, to remove Uncle Sam from your children's future inheritance. And the opportunity where I'll introduce you to this is, they said, I'm so glad we went and started getting educated. And they went to retirementprotected.com. That's retirementprotected.com. That's an educational log on and learn, easy learning environment webinar. It's where you log on and attend. It's complimentary. There's no cost, but the times fill up quickly, which is why we've added additional times. And is just like giving thanks to tax savings, the opportunity clearly is to give thanks. So Thanksgiving obviously is an opportunity for people to gather, obviously be safe, be healthy, but also with a little bit of downtime, that people can actually use some of that downtime, maybe with a few extra hours off or an extra day off, and really learn what you can learn about how to save yourself from uncertainty. See, the uncertainty of where tax rates are going to go at the beginning of the year, the uncertainty of what the market's going to do with the reaction to the resurgence of the virus, and obviously the uncertainty of when this vaccine is really going to start proving itself, has many people concerned, just as the market's responded, and it's been extraordinarily volatile. Well, secure your serious savings from not only taxes, but also from the resurgence of the virus. Retirementprotected.com, retirementprotected.com. Imagine more financial success, less time, less worry, less stress. Just like Vic and Susan said, we sleep better at night, we don't have to worry, and now we've got ourselves a higher income without the risk of outliving our income, and we are also not going to pass a tax to our kids. Folks, you work hard for your money. Let's learn how your money can work a lot harder for you. Retirementprotected.com, retirementprotected.com.